you are! Look at this color.
I think I have a 2-bird limit on my hand. Alright, the fire marshal's going to get angry here.
Tell it there's no stuff in my ear. We did this in the Columbia Zoo, and so he gave me her cup and ran screaming from the aviary. There's still some juice left.
Hey, no fighting.
This one's trying to escape by the door. Alright, I think we've drank just about all the juice. There's a little bit left. Ah!
I want to ask if you have a bird in your head.
I'm a bird brain. What do I do?
He's thinking if he stands